What is Canva? Canva is a web-based design app made with the aim to make graphic designing easier for people. It is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. It is available on web and mobile and integrates millions of images, fonts, templates, and illustrations. How to create account. Go to Google and type Canva. Make sure na tama yung website na pupuntahan natin. It's www.canva.com. Yan yung i-click mo. There are 3 ways to create Canva account. First, click using Google account. So if you have existing account for Google, you can use it. Pwede mong gamitin. Or, 2, click using Facebook. Third, using other email ad if you don't want to use Facebook or Google account mo. So you can use other email ad. So for me, I use my Facebook account. So just click using Facebook account. I use my account kasi makakalimutin na si Lola. Kaya ayun. Wait for it to generate. And then, dito na tayo sa portal ng or sa account ng iyong Canva. So, makikita mo dito yung iba't ibang designs. Depende kung ano yung gagawin mo. Ayan. Ayan, pwede kang gumawa ng YouTube thumbnail. Ito yung mga design ko. Ayan. Medyo marami-dami na din. So, if you want to make logos or YouTube thumbnail for Facebook posts and presentations, posters. How to use Canva. There are 4 ways to create designs in Canva. Step 1. I-click ang Templates tab. Example, gagawa tayo ng flyers. Step 2. I-type ang flyers sa search bar. So, andito tayo sa flyer templates. Ayan, makikita mo dito. Makikita natin dito ang iba't ibang design for flyers. Step 3, pumili ng gustong template. Step 4, make your own design.
Thank you. Thank you. Tomo arigato.
Thank you.
No, they do.